Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube. Okay, guys, this situation we know the pandemic coronavirus increasing every day. I hope you stay at home and keep healthy. Okay, today I will explain about the biology. You know biology? What is this biology? Before watching my video, I hope you all subscribe and comment in my video. Stay to my video. Good watching. Biology is science of living things. More specific, biology studies life and living organisms, including their structure, function, growth, evolution, distribution, and taxonomy. In this biology department, you will learn the secret of nature and living things, ranging from small microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, fungi, parasites, to large animals such as vertebrata. If you like nature, one is also very fitting because you will learn about environment. Not only that, the biology department will also study human and animal health, so it can be said that biology is the basis of medical science. Even with knowledge that can be used, it can be used to design new medicine or find varieties of superior plants that to beneficial to humanity. In my opinion, if it is related with this biology department, we will feel beneficial all aspect. This beneficial all aspect. First, we can learn more about various things about animals or plants. For example, we can distinguish between bufo and rana sp when viewed from the morphology or anatomy. Likewise, with plants, we can determine the parts even we can distinguish plants in terms of morphology if we have learned plant morphology. Second, increase knowledge about health. We can do a healthy lifestyle, not only for ourselves, but also we demonstrate to others. In the biology department, we learn about the digestive system of food. The work can know a lot of things, so we also know why after eating cannot sleep. It's all learned in the biology department. Third, in the biology department, we will learn about small to large living things. I will tell you a little about the purpose of this statement. In the biology department, we learn about virus. The study of virus is called virology. As it is today, the coronavirus is so frightening. Why do we have to lock down? Why we must stay at home? And why must keep our distance? That's all we can know if we have understood in material about virus. Now, I will explain a little about virus in general. Viruses are microscopic organisms that are spread all over the world and tend to be parasites. Viruses can infect living things ranging from humans, animals, plants, fungi, and even bacteria. Many of these viral infections have fatal consequences for the creatures they infect. Viruses also can replicate or reproduce themselves without riding on other organisms. For this reason, viruses are classified as parasitic or harmful organisms. Likewise, with coronavirus, we know that in general the virus is parasite and is not very beneficial for humans. So we must avoid the virus by staying at home and must maintain distance. Even so, actually in our body there are antibodies that can destroy the virus. But to break the chain of this virus, we must keep a distance and stay at home, so that those with low immunity, such as grandparents or sick people, the virus is very easy to take his body, so that it can be fatal. Like this, coronavirus can result in death. Even though we only know this in general, we can pass on to our family, our friends, or our relatives. 4. You can apply biology learning. You know applied biology? Applied biology is the application of knowledge from several fields that are used to solve problems that concern our daily life. Examples of applied biology are biochemistry, biotechnology, fisheries science, genetic engineering, agronomy, and others. One example like biotechnology in everyday life, such as making cheese from milk, making yogurt from milk, making tempeh from soybeans, making soy sauce from soy, making tea from sticky rice or cassava, making nata de coco from coconut water. It's all learned in biology. I will also tell you about the biology student campus life. 1. Microscope. Microscopes are best friends and are always ready to accompany practicum days. 2. Biology can be referred to as the Department of Mathematics and Natural Science with the less mathematics course. 3. The science of drawing will be very helpful because many lab reports or assignments require making animal and plant anatomy. 4. The female student population is generally more than male student. 5. We'll do a lot of practicum. Even though it is very interesting, a pile of practicum reports awaits. Most of these reports must be handwritten or typed on a typewriter manual. 6. Basic science majors such as biology offer the potential to be able to work while in college, namely as a tutor or private high school course, certainly for biology subject. 7. Practicum is not only done in the laboratory but also in the field. Who said the life of a biology student is only in the laboratory? Biology majors often go to field too. For example, when studying ecology course, you will jump into the forest and run to the floor. Fiber doing an inventory of species to a place. The plant is not responsible. Field lecture activities can be an exciting experience with friends majors. So, you feel the experience of day in the wild must help its other half. It's no wonder that biology students are compact generation.